What's up?
Hey y'all, that's Little Country. This is Big Country. We're going to do a little video right here on a science experiment. Okay, now what we're going to do is we got our handy dandy pop bottle here. We got some baking soda, some white vinegar, and of course a handy dandy rubber balloon. Pick these up at Walmart for about $1. Get you a whole pack of them. Now the first thing that you want to do is you want to get you a funnel of some sorts, and you need to get your balloon. And you need to cap it over so that way you can put the baking soda in there. Now the baking soda is going to act as your base, okay? And of course the vinegar is going to act as an acid. You mix them together and you're going to have a pretty powerful concoction. And that's what we're going to show you right here. Now with this, you want to get as much of this stuff in here as you can, so that way you can have a pretty good reaction. So you got to kind of tap it on in there and whatnot, and do your best to get all that in there. Try to get a little bit more. Now we've already done this off the camera. We've had some pretty good results, and we thought it might be nice to kind of share this right here, so that way if any of you guys is thinking about doing a science project, well, you'll have something to go off of.
The balloon got so big, I was literally about to let it let it go, because I was holding on with my thumbnails because of how big it was. It was like 14 inches big.
All right, now. What you want to do here, get you a little vinegar in here and whatnot. I'd say probably about a half a cup, 3/4 cup worth. A little bit more than that. You will have plenty of room right here for this thing to expand. Now after you've got the vinegar in there, you got the baking soda in the balloon, what you want to do is you want to cap the balloon over the lid. Alright? Now, the next thing you want to do is hold on to it firmly so that way it doesn't wind up, popping off and flying through the air, and jiggle this baking soda down on it into the bottle.
Look how big that's getting.
Look at the fizz too. You got the fizz going in there?
Yep.
Yeah, you got to kind of shake it around a little bit so that way you can get all that baking soda in there.
Yep. But that's not the biggest one, is it?
Yeah, that's not the
That's
one,
actually
but if you look at that right there, you're coming in almost around 10 inches, give or take. And of course, you see the reaction that's going on down here with the acid and the base. Whenever you combine the acid and the base, of course, it produces a chemical reaction right there, and produces a gas. And of course, here you go, it goes up into the balloon. All right, that's all we got. Tune in next time, see what we got.